Hi, my name is Arshad. I wanted to give you a quick overview of this interactive floor plan, also the online registration for events. So here is the dashboard, and from here you can see there are different options available for you from the tracking all the way to the setups and settings. So let me start with the registration map view. This is what the end users basically are going to see. This is how the floor plan or any floor plan will look like. You can set up a customized floor plan for you, and it will look exactly according to your needs and requirements. So over here, the floor plan, let's just get rid of it real quick. Um, so all the green ones are available, as you can see, and red ones are taken, and it shows who are they taken by. So if a client comes and they want to get a booth and they say that they like 32, all they have to do is simply click on it, and as soon as they click on it, it will show up right over here, shows booth number 32 and how much it cost. Continue to check out, and it will take them to the um, booth registration area. Before the application starts, this area will basically is offering any add-ons, basically booth items if they are looking for like extra chairs, or if they are looking for tables or whatnot. You have full capability of modifying these, removing these, adding more. So all I'm going to do over here is selecting ordering for extra t-shirts, or maybe a couple of extra chairs for the booth, and it shows the price, how much it will cost, and from here I will update and continue on. After that, it will take you to basically the application area, which takes all the details about the end user. Again, is completely modifiable, so you have the capability of all these questions you see over here. You can add, remove, make them mandatory. They have to answer before they go forward. So once they are entering all those details, they will be taken to the payment options. From there, they can select all the payment options you have in the system, basically for either the by check, by cash, or by credit card options. So from here, I'm going to go back to the registration area. Let me get out of here in a second. So we are back at the dashboard where we started with the registration map view. Now I want to show you real quick. The map editor is very simple and easy. So here is the map what we were looking at just a few minutes ago. If you would like to add a booth, there are a few optionals over here. For example, I will go ahead and add 10 by 10. As soon as I did, this option popped up. I can go ahead and give it a booth type. For example, it's a standard booth. Price section is this, and give it a booth number. How about if I give 150? From there, make it purchasable, meaning that people can order it. Update information, refresh, and all the information will show on their booth now, and there it is. 50 is available. It's marked green. That means anybody can order it, and I can move it anywhere around. So for example, I will just put it over here, and same way, if I want to get rid of a booth, I will just click it, highlight it, and click on delete on my keyboard, and there it is. It's gone. And then I will go ahead and remove these numbers as well. So this is how simple and easy it is to add, delete, move, number your booths. We are back over here at the dashboard. From here, there are like so many different things available, but the most important things which everybody is interested in is the list of all their vendors, the exhibitors. You can take a look at it over here in the snapshot view. All of them are listed with details. For example, booth number 10 belongs to this company, and here are their details. And let me scroll a little bit down. And over here, these are the options. If you want to edit any of those booths, we want to make changes, you can do it straight from here. Or if a client call and say, listen, we forgot to order something, same thing. All you need to do is go back, edit it, and then make modification as far as the company name goes, or any fields which were available during the registration process. So basically, this gives you the overview of all the clients you have. From here, you can also export records, and also you can import records. This one is an email center. This is a great uh, option available for you to send emails to all your clients. Also, you have the categories over here. You can create new categories or edit or remove categories. If you have like bazaar sections or outdoor area or non-profit or clothing or all those different categories, because there are different vendors for different events, and so all those different categories can be created over here. The other option over here is the exhibitor settings. So what this does, basically it allows you to modify what to show and what not to show to your vendors from this list over here. There are like multiple options from here. And let me get out of here and show you um, another important area which everybody's interested in is the registration and orders. From here you can see all the orders which um, came in details, and also you will be able to see who ordered what. At the same time, you can see the order manager. You can see all the orders, the totals, and which company has paid and which company has not paid. For example, if I scroll down a little bit further down, over here you can see uh, these are all removed. Let me see if I can find somebody. But in either case, you will find all your exhibitors listed over here, and as well as it will show you, for example, this company over here, Test X, their booth number, as well as their total, what they have paid and what they owe. And from here you can also go and modify this. For this, let's go to the Test X. For booth number 12, you want to view their order, and from here you have multiple options. You can edit the order, you can make modifications, like if there's a payment which you have received, you can add it over here, and so then the update will automatically be changed on the main view. So this is how the order management looks like. Uh, the other options, the other things are the reports, which is another important thing, and everybody is looking for them. From here you can practically download any kind of reports, or even create your own customized reports in this section. And also you have the options to download these reports in Excel formats. These all are customized reports which were created, and so all the reports are over here, which shows the different things which you would like to see. Another important thing over here you will see under the registration and orders is the registration settings. Once you come over here, one of the most important things out of all these, which I find important for everybody and easy to control, what kind of payments and checkout options you would like to offer. Over here is the option you would like to either take the full amount, or have a deposit fee, or you would like to have them pay a flat fee. So these you can modify straight from here. If you select this option, full payment, that means when the vendors are registering, they will not have the option to partial payment. They will have to pay full amount, or you can have a uh, pay deposit fee, which is a flat fee, or over here, same thing over here, pay deposit percent. Now, if you scroll down, you will see lots of companies um, ask for a small credit card processing fee. So you can do, you have options. Either you can, if you want not to charge your clients, you can simply select no additional fees. Or if you want to charge a small percent of the total amount, you can select from here and you can modify these things, or you can do the flat fee for every credit card fee. So most of the companies like the small percent if the vendors are paying by credit card. The um, other options are type of payments, or if you want to send order notifications, you can modify how the email will look like, which will go to the client, the message, the first message after they order something or book a booth. So you can basically come over here and change the message. So this will be the message which will be going out to all the clients, whoever selects and buy booth. We did this, the payment processor. So this is also important. There are many different options available. What kind of what kind of payment processor would you like to have? The gateway mainly. Over here, if PayPal has been selected, also you have options um, like if you want to receive payments by check or credit card, or credit card only or check only. So everything can be selected from here. From this registration and registration settings, basically another important thing is lots of people, they want to keep control. Like, even though you have the online registration map and everything, but you have the options set over here. So for example, if you want people to select it, but it's still the final assignment comes from you, so you can select this option. That means that whenever it selects a booth, it will come to you and then you finalize it and okay it. Or if you select this option, that means that whenever an exhibitor buys a booth, it automatically assigns to them. And no online registration, that is also up to you too. If you want to use just the registration part and no online registration, you have the option to just turn off the map completely. Another important thing you notice over here, you can limit two booths at a time, because sometimes if you don't want don't want anybody to come, and next thing you know they are like registering a whole bunch of booths, and you want to set a limit. It's up to you how many booths you want to allow them to select. Over here I have selected 2. I can change it to 4 and save and upgrade registration settings. And from here on, now anybody whoever comes, they will have the option to order up to 4 booths. So basically, this is the quick overview of the interactive floor plan and the registration. If you guys are interested in detail, please feel free to reach out to me. I can be reached at Arshad, ARSHAD.HFF @gmail.com. Thank you very much for your time. You have a good day.